present. Hailing from the southeast of Iloilo, one traditional embroidered masterpiece produced from the widely known Iloilo fabric, hablon, the definition of history, colored with a story of the epitome of strong-willed and dedicated women, the Ilongga woman from San Miguel, Iloilo. The traditional tattoo designs serving as adornment of the body for the Pasino tribe women. These were diligently adorned with gold stones and crystals and a beautiful mix of old tradition, embracing the present and a vision for the city's shining future. Gold ornaments and accessories symbolizes the richness of the culture and wealth of the people. The headdress symbolizes the bountiful and prosperous harvest of the sweetest city in the heart of Panay, Abante, Pasig. Showcasing its culture. It is a will to give the people a chance to see how Tinuong, its one town, one product, is done. The tribal dance competition highlights how this local dish is made. The chicken dance through Tinuong is incorporated in the presentation where dancers use feather bustles worn on the upper back and creative ornamentation but stylized. The town of Barotac Nuevo is widely known as the football capital of the Philippines. It is the life and passion of each Barotacnon. But with the advent of Pagiliusa Festival, it is fame for the people of Barotac Nuevo to give back the glory and honor to the Almighty Creator. Pagiliusa comes from the Hiligaynon word Hiliusa, meaning unite. One distinct characteristic of this festival is that all dances illustrated are coordinated, harmonized, and inspired with football steps. A true manifestation that the people of Barotac Nuevo value their most priceless tradition, the football. The festival costume is inspired by a horse called Tamasa, a white stallion known for its strength and courage, a virtue that pushed the Baratacnon celebrate its festivals, a celebration that speaks about joy and unity. A cultural attire designed by a homegrown designer of Barotac Nuevo, Mr. Otet de Paloma Patrimonio. The gimba, the drum, and the Bantayan watchtower features the festival. The festival costume was inspired by the Maragtas kang Bantayan, themed with an off-shoulder serpentina cut with igang rings and icons that can be found in Gimbal, Iloilo. centerpiece depicts the symbol of Kimbal today. The costume is made of lampirong shells, scented with pearls and pebbles that represent the rich marine sources of the municipality of Oton, Iloilo. With special pictures of Oton carved and painted using canvas, rubber slice, and styrofoam. The rich history and culture of the very first pueblo in the heart of Panay, represented in one picture. Ladies and gentlemen, Charmaine Pasco of Oton, Iloilo.